Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you guys how I got this curl by using a hair weaver. It's really easy and literally takes no time at all. And if you're new here, baby girls, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, let's get started. First, I'm going to apply this Schwarzkopf Extra Care Hair Repair just to protect my hair from the heat. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna section my hair off, because obviously you don't want to do it all at the same time, especially if you do have thick hair. It's just easier to do it separately. I got this guy from Lazada. It cost me like 19 bucks, so whatever the brand is, I'm just gonna grab a piece of my hair and hold it for about 10 seconds. You'll get this kind of wave, and yeah, this guy is done, so moving on to the next one. And just make sure that you do the same thing on the other side as well. Just going to untie my second section so we can do the same thing all over again. And the last section, guys, we're almost done. This hair clip has been my favorite one so far. I got this one from Kmart and it's just super cute, so I thought I would just put it on. Here we are at the final look. Thank you for watching. If you find this useful, just give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.